Namaste everyone. Welcome back to Creative Ways of Life. In today's video, I am going to share a complete makeover of my small balcony. This project was pending from a very long time, and 75% of this makeover includes only DIY. So you are going to get a lots of ideas from this video. So without further ado, let's get started. But before that, if you are new to my channel, thank you for stopping by, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And please watch this video till the end. Now let's dive into the video.
We're super excited to share our balcony makeover video with you.
Yeah, we're super excited.
This is the before look of my balcony. This is the old table I have. I will be making the seating arrangements there. But before that, I want to make some stands to my plants. So I am using this old wooden planks from old study table. This is a lot of work, cutting and drilling everything. My husband will be helping me in this. It actually took a half a day from us to complete this first DIY for our balcony. Now plant stands are completely ready, and I am also done cleaning my balcony. Now let's start with arranging some plants. Now arranging plants are done. Now let's go do some DIYs again. For the second DIY, I am using this drawer from old study table again, and I am painting it with white acrylic color inside of it, and to the outside I am painting blue acrylic color. Let me show you the purpose of this drawer later in this video. For the third DIY, I am using these two wooden racks from old slipper stand which was broken, and I have painted this also with blue acrylic color, and I am tying both these racks together with the help of zip ties as shown here. Now let me show you a complete 360-degree view of my balcony so that you can understand where I am decorating what. Let's begin with this corner over here. I am hanging a DIY jute planter over here which has some succulents in it. And for the seating arrangement, I made this throw by using old bedspread. The link for this DIY is given in the description box. Please check. And with some pillows, the cozy seating area is ready. This welcome board I am placing here is also DIY. And links for all the DIYs I have displayed in this video is given in the description box. Now I am placing this old drawer on this table and decorating it with Buddha statue, candle holder and some plants. Next to this table on this compound wall, I have hanged some green leaves, and it is already looking very beautiful. Now I am placing another DIY candle holder here with some marbles and some pine cones. Above this, on the top, I have hanged birdhouse, some lights and DIY wind chimes. This DIY wind chimes is already uploaded in my channel. I will provide the link in the description box. Please check. These days, due to this pandemic, we are forgetting or finding difficult to go out and get some sunshine. So these DIYs are to remind us about what we need the most. Balcony is the place where you start and wind up your day. So creating a cozy balcony is never a waste of time, but it's really worthy. So here comes my favorite DIY. It is so simple yet beautiful. What do you say? Please let me know in the comment section. Your comments are most valuable and it means a lot, and it keeps motivating me every time to make more videos like this. After decorating everything, I felt these lights were so empty without anything. So I started making another DIY, which is the last DIY of this video. I made these butterflies out of the poster board and bended these butterflies in the middle so that the wings are clearly visible, and sticked on these lights with the help of double-sided tape. Isn't it looking very pretty? Now let's see final round of my balcony. This is when entering into the balcony through the living room. Even in my tired days, just looking at the balcony from my living room is also so refreshing. I totally enjoyed doing makeover of my balcony. I hope you too enjoyed this video. Thank you everyone for watching this video. See you in the next video. Stay tuned. Until then, take care. Bye bye.